Extraordinary animals. The mega-talented. The mega-talented dragonfly. The dragonflies can tolerate accelerations 3 times greater than the fighter pilots. The dragonfly can achieve a flying speed of 80 kilometers an hour. It can also hover in one spot. It is capable of incredible aerobatics, including sudden change of directions and lightning-quick acceleration. The dragonfly is the only insect that can fly backwards. To achieve these amazing feats, dragonflies beat their 2 independent pairs of wings 30 times per second. The eagle. The eagle. The eagle's vision is so well developed that it can spot a rabbit at 1.5 kilometers or 3 kilometers in the case of the golden eagle. In contrast, humans cannot see one from 500 meters away. An eagle's eye works like binoculars, bringing an image 4 to 8 times closer than ours do. No sooner does it set its eyes on its prey than it swoops down on it at speeds of up to 150 kilometers an hour. The golden eagle can spot a rabbit at 3 kilometers. The grey parrot. The grey parrot is a gifted impressionist. It can imitate sounds, a hoover, a telephone, a door closing, as well as the human voice. If trained, it is able to commit up to 300 words to memory and can make links between certain words and object. It is said to have the intellectual capacity of a 5-year-old human and the emotional development of a 2-year-old. The parrot can memorize up to 300 words. The rattlesnake. Like boas and pythons, rattlesnakes have 2 pits at the front of their head, between their nostrils and their eyes, which allows them to detect the heat emitted by their prey. In actual fact, they pick up infrared rays emitted by other living creatures. This is essentially a 6th sense. The Texas rattlesnake is 10 times more sensitive to heat than other species of rattlesnakes. Even blindfolded, a rattlesnake can hunt and kill prey. Rattlesnakes shake the rattle located at the end of their tail. The dolphin. The dolphin emits sounds to orientate itself within its environment. Like a ship's sonar, these sounds bounce off objects, and the dolphin picks up their echoes, a phenomenon known as echolocation. By modifying the sound they emit, dolphins are able to gain more general and more precise pictures of what surrounds them, including distance, size, and shapes and speed. The dolphin is also a champion jumper, able to leap more than 7 meters out of the water. The howler monkey. Howler monkeys are New World monkeys found in tropical America. They are named after the howls they emit, which echo around the forest and can be heard for 1 kilometer away. This monkey's calls are so loud thanks to an inflatable pouch of skin in its larynx that is used to amplify them. The howler monkey is considered the world's noisiest mammal. Male howlers' calls can be heard 1 kilometer away through the forest. The bat. The bat is the only flying mammal. It uses a technique called echolocation to locate and pinpoint its prey in the dark. It produces very high-pitched sounds, known as ultrasounds, imperceptible to human ears, which bounces off the objects around it. The bat captures the echoes of these sounds, which are then interpreted by its brain. Like dolphins, bats orientate themselves using echolocation. The coral. Certain species of red coral are used to make jewelry. Coral is an animal that typically lives in a colony, together forming masterpieces such as the world's renowned coral reefs that are rich in organic life and colour. Each colony differs in form, a sphere, a plateau, a branch, and in colour, green, orange, or red. Every individual in the colony resembles a miniature sea anemone. Coal is sometimes used in bone grafts. The octopus. The octopus is a mollusk best known for its long tentacles and the ink it shoots out when fleeing an enemy. It is also able to mimic its surroundings by changing shape and colour, becoming effectively invisible within seconds. Highly intelligent octopuses can even open jars to access the food inside. If an octopus loses an arm, it will grow back again. The seahorse. Seahorses are strange little creatures. They feed by sucking up small shellfish, swim upright, and hook onto algae using their prehensile tail. Moving around at just 1 kilometer an hour, they are the slowest known fish. The seahorse uses its straw-like mouth to hoover up miniature prey. But most surprisingly, and rare indeed in the animal kingdom, it is the male seahorse that incubates the eggs in the pouch on its stomach where the female carefully lays them. The male seahorse has a pouch on its stomach to carry eggs laid by the female. And here at the back of the book there is a short quiz on questions about the animal that I've explained to you today. So hopefully you've been listening carefully, and I hope that you get these answers right. That concludes our podcast.